Right here, socializing my two boys, Kayos and Piglet. My blue fawn, my black trindle. He's a band dog. That's a micro bully. These two boys right here are gonna be the face of the kennel. Son, stop. Stop. What daddy say? Stop it. Stop. Yeah, just right here socializing my two boys, y'all. Piglet, it's all right, boy. It's okay, y'all. Yeah, these boys right here are gonna throw some heat for me when they get. He's only 16 months. He's 6 weeks old. This is where it's at, man. Rhodes Kennels, man. The feature of the kennel right here. I produced that boy right there. Look at him. What's up, boy? What's that, son?